Did you know that Mega Minion, the adorable little guy from Despicable Me, could actually bring out emotions like sadness? It sounds wild, right? But what if I told you that today, we're going to blend the whimsical world of Mega Minion with the heartfelt emotion of sadness from Inside Out 2? How crazy is that? Alright, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super fun project where I'll be transforming our lovable Mega Minion into sadness from Inside Out 2. You might be wondering why this crossover is so intriguing. Well, both characters deal with emotions, but in totally different ways. Mega Minion is all about fun and mischief, while sadness embodies those deep, reflective feelings we all have. So, let's see how we can merge these two worlds together. Now, let's talk about the challenges I faced in this transformation. First off, how do you take a character known for its goofy antics and reimagine it as an emblem of sadness? The design has to change drastically. I needed to think about the color palette. Mega Minion is bright yellow, which screams happiness, while sadness is all about that calming blue vibe. Then there's the character expression. Mega Minion is usually grinning from ear to ear, but sadness has those big, soulful eyes that carry so much weight. It's all about capturing that emotional depth while still keeping the essence of Mega Minion intact. That's a tall order, but I'm up for the challenge. So, how did I tackle this? I started with some rough sketches. I played around with different shapes to see how I could blend Mega Minion's iconic features with Sadness's attributes. I thought, what if I kept the Minion's round body but added Sadness's droopy eyes and a more somber expression? The color choices were super important too. I decided to go with a gradient, starting with the classic yellow and fading into a soft blue, capturing that transition of emotions. I also wanted to include Sadness's signature sweater, so I designed a mini version for our Mega Minion. It was all about merging their personalities while transforming the overall vibe. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here's the final reveal of Mega Minion transformed into sadness. Cue dramatic reveal, look at how the colors blend and how the expression just speaks volumes. I was honestly surprised at how the design came together. Seeing Mega Minion with those big, expressive eyes and that cozy sweater really tugged at my heartstrings. It was a wild ride, but I think we captured the essence of sadness while still keeping that playful spirit of the Minions alive. What do you think? I'd love to hear your reactions. Wrapping things up, this transformation was such a unique experience. I learned a lot about creativity, especially how you can take two seemingly different characters and find a common thread. It's amazing what you can create when you challenge yourself to think outside the box. Plus, it's a reminder that all emotions, even sadness, have their place in storytelling. So, what do you think of my new Mega Minion as sadness? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas on other transformations you'd like to see. And don't forget to check out my other character transformation videos for more fun projects. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.